Fall is pie season, and the secret to any good pie is a delicious flaky crust. Today I'll show you how to put together the perfect pie crust that will serve as a base for any filling that you choose. To start, we're gonna add our flour to a big mixing bowl. Then we're gonna add our salt. Then we're gonna add our cold cubes of butter. It's important for the butter to be cold because that's what gives you that nice flaky crust. Then we're gonna add our secret ingredient, which is lard. Now, I like to use leaf lard. It comes from the stomach lining of a pig, and that's the best lard you can use for a pie crust, but any lard will do. All right, now we're gonna get our hands dirty. You're gonna mix that in, and it's okay to have lumps of fat. That fat is actually gonna give you that flakiness. So we're gonna have pockets of fat from pea size to walnut size. You really just wanna keep mixing it with your hands until it's almost a sandy consistency. Once you've worked in the fat, you're gonna start to add in your water. Just a tablespoon at a time. The amount that you need is really gonna depend on the humidity. So start with just a little bit and then keep adding from there. The idea is you want your dough just to barely come together. Then we're gonna make it into 2 discs. We're gonna cut it in half, form those discs, and wrap it in plastic. You can store it in the freezer for at least 30 minutes, or you can just keep it in your freezer for a rainy day and you'll have pie crust ready to go.
Subscribe to my channel for more modern pioneering tips.